It's 26 clear and it's hot. I think it's a good time to go to the beach. It's really beautiful. It's really, really hot today. Very hot. That sun, it's too hot. There's not a lot of people around. It's not that busy. Didn't have slippers today, so I'm wearing my trainers, which is not a good idea. Decided to camp over here now. Some guys over there playing cricket. So I remember a story. An event happened similarly. I'm not sure if it was in Australia or maybe the US, in any of those countries. And I think what happened was there was a group of friends who were digging a hole. There was one guy who was very passionate about it, and they dug a hole several feet down. And so what happened, they dug a hole in L shape. They dug a hole like this. They dug a hole really, really deep like this. And one guy that was passionate, he jumped in. As soon as he jumped in, and he started going sideways, so which means it's going that way, right? You can see it's going down and that way. So as soon as he was going straight down and then right that way, you can see my hand is going in there. So one of them, the guy who was passionate, he dug a hole all the way in. So they jumped from here. So they jumped from here into there, and then he kept dogging in, and then he went sideways like this, straight inside. Sand is soft, and if you're gonna go in, there's a high chance that a lot of everything collapse inside. And what he didn't realize is sand is soft and it can collapse, and which it did collapse, and then he was stuck inside. So another friend of his came on and said, listen, hey, let's go play some soccer or whatever, volleyball, whatever they were playing. And he heard a slight scream, and so he started digging as well inside. Now because he was inside, and it all collapsed like this, and he couldn't, of course, he was in there stuck inside. And then rescue, everybody came. So he was somewhere here, and the more they dug in, because it's sand, so the more you're going to dig in, the other way it's going to come back inside. So because it's sand, so if you're going to dig from here, it's the other way around. So the more you dig in like this, okay, the more sand goes inside. So it's really hard to dig in the sand. So what happened was, of course, rescue services and everybody, they did a massive, they dug a massive water rescue. I mean, it was a miracle, and it was only stuck half an hour in the sand, and they rescued him. He came out alive, and that's it. I mean, he was in hospital for a few hours, and then they let him go. You do stupid things, and you learn, I guess. That's how it is. Anyways, I had a lovely day. Still gonna wait till sundown.